Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change numbering in Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to change numbering in Canva, you have to follow these steps. First, open your Canva account and log into your account. Once here, click on Docs. This is where you can create or edit text-based documents directly within Canva. Once you're inside the document mode, look at the top of the interface and click on the plus icon. This menu allows you to add various elements, including the all-important numbered lists. Now, click on Numbered List from the dropdown. Canva will automatically start numbering each new line for you, so you won't have to type numbers manually. As you add or delete lines, Canva updates the sequence automatically, keeping everything neat and consistent. If you ever feel that the numbering style doesn't fit your design or preference, you can easily change the numbering format. Head back to the plus icon, and this time, you'll see options for bullet points or checklists. Bullet points are ideal for listing ideas that don't require a specific order, while checklists are great for to-do lists or tasks you can tick off as you complete them. As you explore these features, remember that the right list format enhances readability and helps emphasize key points. And that's it. So that is how you can change numbering in Canva. So that's all for this video. Thanks.